Okay, hello, all you people that weren't in class on Friday.
Hello.
Shame on
Hi.
you.
We're at
Everyone
school.
else is here. We're having so much fun. Lame. Okay, so today we're going to talk about limits, where you have to do some crazy stuff to get rid of your x, or sorry, whatever is in the denominator, making it equal to 0. So here's our first situation. Limit as x approaches 0. Okay, so we have the limit as x approaches 0 of the square root of x plus 4 minus 2 over x. So obviously if you plug 0 into your denominator for x, it would be a 0 in the denominator. So we have a problem here. So when you have a problem that looks like this, you are going to multiply by the conjugate good of the numerator.
Are we knowing all the different?
Why?
I'll show you. So, conjugate over the conjugate. Whoops. So, do you agree that you can multiply by 1 and you haven't changed anything? You can multiply by 1. Do you agree that anything over itself is 1? Yeah, so if I multiply by the conjugate over the conjugate, isn't that the same thing as just multiplying by 1? Awesome. Okay. So what is, does anyone remember what the conjugate is? What is it?
It's like the square root of x plus 4 plus 2.
Good. So you're going to change this side from negative to positive, and that's your conjugate. So you're going to multiply the numerator by the square root of x plus 4 plus 2 over the square root of x plus 4 plus 2. Okay, remember on your next step, don't drop the limit yet because we haven't plugged 0 in for x. So you're still keeping your limit. The limit as x approaches 0. Okay, and now what you want to do is you want to think of this as multiplying two binomials. Like you're going to FOIL it out. So what is square root of x plus 4 times the square root of x plus 4? X plus 4, exactly. Then the square root of x plus 4 times 2, and then negative 2 times the square root of x plus 4. Don't those cancel each other out? Okay. And then negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. Over, I have my x still chilling in my denominator, and then I also have my conjugate. So square root of x plus 4 plus 2. All right, how convenient. My positive 4 and negative 4 cancel each other out, so I'm left with just an x in my numerator, and then I have an x in my denominator. And then they cancel out. How lovely. So I'm left with the limit as x approaches 0 of 1 over the square root of x plus 4 plus 2. So now, if I were to plug 0 in for x, would I have a 0 in my denominator? No. So I'm just going to go plug it in now, evaluate my limit. So now I can drop the limit because I'm plugging 0 in. So it's 1 over the square root of 0 plus 4 plus 2, which, what's the square root of 4? 2. Plus 2 is, so your final answer is 1/4.
You have to do the whole thing, or is that the thing where you, like in the last, you do first, or you do the whole?
Oh, no. No. Any questions on this? All right. If you're watching at home, pause your video and try this on a sheet of notebook paper, but y'all do this, you try problem on your own. The limit as x approaches 0 of the square root of x plus 3 minus root 3 over x. Pause your video, try it on your own. All right, let's talk about this e-try problem. Ben, what should I do?
Teacher, I need help.
Oh man, you're so funny. Okay. Ben, what should I do?
Do the conjugate.
Wait,
Sorry, Ben. I'm sorry, Ben Crawford. Good. What's the conjugate?
Square root of x plus 3 plus the square root of 3.
Beautiful. And what do I multiply by on the denominator?
Same thing.
Good. Well done. Okay. Alexander, what will I have in my numerator?
X plus 3 minus 3.
Good. X plus 3 minus 3. Fabulous.
Just try to be as much as.
Gabby, explain to me what happens next.
Solve for the three part.
Good. What happens to the 3 and the negative 3? Okay, they go away. And then what happens to the x and the x? They cancel out. Awesome. So you're left with limit as x approaches 0 of 1 over root x plus 3 plus root 3. Aisha, now what do I do?
Now you plug in 0.
Good. Can I drop my limit?
Yes.
Yes, you can drop the limit once you plug in 0. So 1 over 0 plus 3 square root plus root 3. Okay, so this is root 3 plus root 3, which is 2 root 3. Uh-oh, I can't leave a square root in my denominator, so I have to rationalize it. Good. So your final answer is root 3 over 6.
yeah.
Raise your hand if you got that. Good, good for you all. Well done, people.
Yeah, I almost know this. We done?
Okay, we have one more example and then one more e-try problem and then we're done.
Yes.